Louder, motherfuckers! You're not even clapping, motherfucker! She was a loved one and didn't know it. So I began to write her down my understanding. She needed to feel this way. Her private time would be me tasting her emotions. Those hidden thoughts, knowing she wanted my affection. I could never say no to doing it again. So I slept with poetry last night. Caressed her like a dream came true. Had my emotions taken by pleasure to hear her affectionately whispering complicated passions. You're a freak. She would take me deep. I had intentions of never letting go. Her wordplay was my submission, no options given. I only needed my pen to go all in. One word, next line, writing this dope rhyme. You see, I slept with poetry last night because she made love to my mind. I am an emotional creature. And I came out here to the IE, to Monday Night Rupo, to murder this, even though I'm not the feature. My pen, I'm about to share the moments you need to give in a whisper. So I'll be loving you like a blind man would do. Every line curves too while painting my imagination. You see, I close my eyes when I hold you. My wanting embrace discovering the goddess of my temptation. Let me caress you in anticipation of your desire. Know this, as I trace you to wet, picture this silhouette, matching every part of you. Like the wind, finger painting my affection, your body becoming my canvas, from thought to perfection. As I love the skin you're in. Call me what you want, but love me like you insane. Don't water down your affections. Give in to me like you want these directions. Let me set the fire inside of you now. Imagine what I'm going to do. Feel me, touch me, tease me just a little. Let me in deep. I'm that complicated freak out to get it. Embrace my dare. Let me hit this right here. I'm that number 9 Zodiac Sign, Sagittarius.